welcome back to another dazzling poo video. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm gonna share this look, and this is not a makeup look because it has nothing like makeup. It has no foundation, no concealer, and nothing much more about makeup. So it has a bit of touch up, which is these days is necessary if you wanna look attractive and well groomed. So yeah, this is a kind of this type of look, and if you are one of those persons who doesn't love makeup, so yeah, this is for you also. एंड मैं भी यूजुअली जब डेली ऑफिस अपने जाती हूँ तो मैं मेकअप बिल्कुल नहीं करती हूँ. आई जस्ट प्रेफर दिस काइंड ऑफ लुक एंड इट हैज नो मेकअप, सो इट्स ऑल्सो स्किन फ्रेंडली. या एंड दिस लुक कैन बी डन इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर योर 9 to 5 जॉब और फॉर योर कॉलेज. इफ यू आर ऑल्सो डूइंग योर वर्क फ्रॉम होम, सो दिस लुक कैन बी डन for these three things. And yeah, this is a very quick look because this is a running late kind of look. So जब मैं अपने मॉर्निंग आवर्स में अपने ऑफिस के लिए एक्सट्रीमली लेट हो जाती हूँ, सो आई हार्डली गेट 10 to 15 मिनट्स, कई बार तो ओनली 10 मिनट्स. सो ये वाला वो लुक है जो इन 10 मिनट्स में क्रिएट किया जा सकता है. सो आई हैव एडेड लाइक 3 सिंपल हेयर स्टाइल्स. सो उसमें से कोई भी चूज करके किसी भी तरह से आप कर सकते हैं. आई मोस्टली प्रेफर दिस लुक एंड वन मोर आई हैव शेयर्ड एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो, सो डोंट मिस आउट दैट. सो हेयर स्टाइल एंड ये लुक मिलके आपको बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव एंड वेल ग्रूम्ड वाला लुक देंगे. सो ये वाला लुक आप पूरा दिन कैरी कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ विदाउट फर्दर एनी टॉकिंग, जस्ट डायरेक्टली फ्लाई टू द वीडियो. So here I am with bare face right after washing my face using this face wash from the Good Vibes, and this is a green tea face wash. This is really amazing and super affordable and also suitable for all the skin types. So used this one, and after washing my face I'm gonna use this toner. This is from Khadi Gold, and this is really amazing toner. I just love this one. You can see the quantity. This is half finished, so I have used this cotton ball for applying this toner, and will let it dry for a few seconds. After toning my face, I'm gonna use this moisturizer from Neutrogena, and it has SPF 15. Also, you might have seen this moisturizer in most of my video because I just love this one, and this is really amazing one, and it suits to all the skin types, and I just love this one. So yeah, you can give it a try. So applied this on my complete face. So you can see the glow of this moisturizer on my face right now. And after that I'm going to use this under eye cream from the Moms Co. I have recently switched to this under eye cream, and its roll-on formula is really soothing for under eyes and give a nice gentle massage. So I just love this one. And after that I'm going to use this lip balm from also Neutrogena, and it has also SPF. So I just love this one because it stays and hydrate the lips for long hours. And after that, a step which no one should miss, this is a sunscreen from the Biotech. This is a bio sandalwood sunscreen, and this is a non-sticky and suitable for all the skin types. If you have normal, oily or combination skin type, you can just use this sunscreen, and I just love using this one. So you can see here before and after face of this skincare routine. जो पहले वाला face है वो quite डल, एंड जो आफ्टर वाला फेस है वो बहुत ग्लोइंग एंड फुल ऑफ लाइफ लग रहा है. सो नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर टच अप. सो आई एम गोना यूज दिस eyebrow pencil from the Miss Claire first. So I'm just brushing my eyebrows upwards, and after that I'm gonna fill my eyebrows from the other side of this pencil, and this is a medium brown shade, and this is really superb one if you're a beginner. So yeah, I'm using this eyebrow pencils to fill my eyebrows and to look good. So after filling the brows, I'm using this kajal. This is from Stay Quirky, and this is my go-to kajal because this is smudge proof, and if I'm stepping out for long hours, so I'm definitely prefer this kajal because this is dark, affordable, and also smudge proof. What else I would need in a kajal? So yeah, this is my loved one kajal. So yeah, I'm using this kajal on my lower lash line and also on my upper lash line so that my eye will look bigger and Beautiful. And after that, I'm gonna apply this compact from Lakme, and you can see this is almost finished. I just love it so much. So I'm gonna apply it on half of my face so you can see the difference of applying a compact. So yeah, I'm applying it on this side of my face, and after that you can see the difference. So now look at my under eyes on both sides. You can see the difference of using a compact. One side is quite matte and other side is a bit shiny. So after that I'm gonna apply this mascara. This is from Nykaa waterproof curling mascara, and this is really amazing. So this is super affordable and also works well on my eyes. So you can see that I have lashes curled a bit using this mascara only. So now it's the time for using a lipstick. I mostly use a pink nude kind of lipstick for my office. So this is from NYB and this is a pink nude shade. So I'm gonna apply this one because this type of color can suit every type of outfit and look. And now I'm using, this is a blush from the Maybelline. This is a color show blush and this is completely optional. मैं भी इसे डेली यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. जब कभी मूड होता है लाइक टू लुकिंग मोर फ्रेश एंड एलिगेंट तो मैं इसे अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ लाइक कभी कभी. सो या डन विद दैट. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर सम हेयर स्टाइल्स. तो पहला स्टाइल मैं इसमें यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है एक सिंपल पोनी टेल जो किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ और लुक के साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. सो या दिस इज़ वन. So I prefer this one sometimes according to my outfit. And so second, you can also make a hair bun which also looks elegant and mostly go with every outfit, but I hardly choose this hairstyle in my office, but it looks nice. And the third one is my most favorite and my go-to hairstyle is half up to. It go with every outfit and also looks elegant, and this is very easy and yeah, my favorite one. So I mostly prefer this one. So yeah, this is amazing and yeah, I'm just loving this one. So if you also love watching this video, this look and these hairstyles, then this video needs a thumbs up, and also it should also subscribe from you all. So now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take